hope you guys are having a great day. So today I'm just going to go over what's been going on with the S&P 500 and some of the other indexes here. So we're going to look at it overall. S&P has been on an uptrend, very good. It's very healthy. One could say it's very bullish, right? However, core CPI numbers are coming out tomorrow, which always shakes things up. And as you guys can tell, the market over the last few days has been very weak. Not a lot of action that's been going on. A couple of ways to tell it. If you see the candlesticks, they're very tight and they're very small, right? And if you see the relative volume right here has dropped down quite a bit, and the MACD is tightened up here, as well as the RSI is getting flattened out. So we will have some sort of move happening. If we do have a quick move based on inflation numbers, if inflation is gotten out of hand a little bit, which it has, if you look at just the cost of food and all those different things, we could test a 50-day again, which would be around 430. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe we'll see the 437 level first, but we'll have a quick eye on that. If inflation is okay and these prove that this is transitory in some manner, we could see S&P push higher, right? So we'll see how that does. That's why we don't want to speculate on what's going to happen here. The Qs, on the other hand, Qs look okay. See the bull flag here. It was able to break through this bull flag, and however, it pushed higher, but not too much higher, right? We're consolidating around 369 till about like 365. This is like around a 4-point move here. Not a lot going on. Same with the Qs. I think they're really waiting on the core inflation numbers. If the yields do turn up and the rates do go up, tech can be a little bit exposed here. We can have a little bit of a drop down in the Qs as well. Tech is more prone to a fall if the inflation numbers do tend to increase and the interest rates do go up. We can see a quick drop in tech. IWM is okay, kind of been in consolidation, trying to figure itself out. Not really going up, not really going down, just stuck around this mark here, which is not a terrible thing per se, but it's not, not a lot just happening here overall in the IWM sector of things, right? So as you guys can see, just very small and tight candles, not a lot happening here. Volumes flattened out, same with the RSI. We'll see what the coming days shows for IWM. I am a little bit bullish on IWM right now. We'll see what it does. We'll see money rotating out of here soon. The Dow is on a tear. Because why today infrastructure bill was passed in the Senate, a lot of stocks started moving, such as Caterpillar, U.S. Steel. All these industrial stocks are starting to move, which can pick up the Dow here. And as you can see, Dow had a decent day today. Nice bounce off the 8-day SMA right here, and it can keep pushing higher. But the thing to keep in mind about the Dow Jones is that it'll continue to grind higher very slowly. If interest rates do go up and they talk about increasing them, expect banks to increase. So things you want to keep on track of is like XLF. XLF could really move, which can push the Dow higher, and XLF is already starting to make highs right now. So this is the financial sector. All right, so keep an eye on this. This can really push Dow Jones to the next level here. As you can see, it broke out of this consolidation zone right here and is starting to move for the next leg. If XLF can get above 38, we can push to new highs here. And another thing you guys want to keep your eyes on is the VIX. Right, so the VIX or VXX. So this is volatility. Volatility has been steadily declining. If we see a pickup on this, we can start to see, okay, there may be something else coming in the market. But so far, nothing. Volatility just tickling away to the downside. Nothing happening here. It's just a quick chart to the downside, right? Nothing big to go on here. PLTR. This is one of the stocks that I do like. Respected. This EMA. This trend line. So I do like PLTR for the long run. Just one of the stocks that I'm just going to cover. But so far it is good. So overall the market is strong. These small stocks like PLTR, even there's another one here. It's Lucid Motors, which is Tesla's competitor. Moved up a little bit here. Now it's come back down to earth, right? So we'll see. These small stocks can start moving. Money can start flowing into these long-term companies, which are not too overvalued. as you guys can see, right? So we'll see what happens here, and we'll go from there. And right now biotech was picking up a lot, such as NVAX, right, had a really big day. We had another one was MRNA, right? So maybe these things come back down to earth a little bit here after market, and maybe tomorrow. We'll see how this all plays out, but keep an eye on this, and we'll see how everything pans out. So far the market is looking a little bit weak, a lot of indecision in the market, money not really sure which way to flow, but we'll see how it all works out in that.